Hi friends, welcome back to my movies. In this tutorial I want to share with you there is a problem on my mounting for while I am sculpting. These areas, you see these areas friends, I want to cut it away, but I already siliconed my plastic place with my styrofoam. Okay, but I want to use my scissors or like this kind of scissors, but there is a problem because it will take it cost for my sculpture. So I'm thinking how to cut. You see these unwanted areas. Yes, of course it will be the best for me because my machine will going to cut, okay, like this. It will never going to cause any damages to my material sculpture, okay, but the smoke is toxic, so be careful please to use air conditioning for your safety. Yes, it can take your times, but believe me, this tactic is so useful. We are just going in and out, in and out, in and out, right or left, like this. Yes, already finished, huh? Off. Smoke is. Yes, you see that we got the coolest edges now. I just wanted to share with you how we are fixing the unwanted problems. Thanks for watching. Bye, welcome movies. See you in more next tutorial then. Bye bye.